Our country, India, is a vast country, and its meteorological department follows the international standard of four seasons with some local adjustment, like winter, December to February, summer, March to May, monsoon, June to September, and a post monsoon season, which is actually October to November. This video will help you stay grounded through the inner and outer changes that each season brings. Winter is a festive season and we do lot of fun, but it is also a host season of illness. So before the illness knock your door and it ruin your Xmas celebration or the New Year celebration, just try to make yourself strong enough to combat with the cold viruses, especially upper respiratory tract infection caused by cold viruses and sometimes by bacteria. So what you need to do? Some simple yoga postures you need to cope up with your daily routine that I am going to show you in this video, and two exclusive pranayam for the pre-winter season. This is the common thing that we all do while we practice Tadasana, but you need to add some variation to combat with the virus, to combat with the cold viruses, bacteria, etc. What to do? Samastiti position. Place your both hands interlock and place it on your head, palm facing down. Revert it. Inhale and hold the breath and raise your both hands up. Keeping the breath inside you, just bend forward. Exhale down. Inhale up. Utkatasana, chair pose. You need to keep in your mind that throughout this practice, you need to stay on your toe. Don't put your heel down. Swing once again. Inhale. Exhale now. Inhale. Exhale up. Number 2. From downward facing dog, just place your right leg beside your right hand and raise your right hand up. From this posture, you need to put your left leg through your right leg and left hand, right, and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't put down your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again down dog. Put your left leg beside your left hand. Raise your left hand. Put your right leg through your right hand and left leg. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This posture is very useful, very helpful to combat with the cold viruses. Right, Marjari Asana, cat to cow pose. Just place your both hands just under your shoulder blade, under your shoulder and your heel, and your knee should be placed just under your hip. There should be enough gap between your two legs. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up.
Put your chest down and exhale. Up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Put your cheek down and exhale. Back to Balasana. From here, you need to place your hand just 1, 2, 3 steps ahead and place your cheek on the mat. Extended puppy pose for a good stretch of your spinal cord, of your hip, of your back, your shoulder blade, back to Balasana. Sit on staff pose, Dandasana. Before moving to practice boat pose, you need to do this preliminary asana. Dandasana, raise your left hand, left leg, left, right, left, right, left. Just lean down a bit. Place your both legs up. Now, hand. You need to hold this posture for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now add some variations. Just from this posture, just 1, 2, 3. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay again for 10 count in both pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 breathing exercise. You need to practice to combat with the cold viruses in a different way. First is Bhastrika. How to practice? Sit in Padmasana, Sukhasana, Siddhasana, Vajrasana even, as you wish. If you are not able to sit in this posture, then by sitting on a chair, you can practice this. Right? What you need to do? Bhastrika variation. Slowly inhale. Exhale forcefully. And another one is Kapalbhati. But how? Reverse table. You need to do. Sit like this. If you have any neck injury, if you have any neck problem, then don't lean down your head. Just stay here. If you don't have any problem, then lean down your head. Now do Kapalbhati. Breathe of fire.